Greetings, fellow financial adventurers. Welcome to our channel Snap Savings, your fortress of financial wisdom.
I'm sure you've heard the news. In recent years, the cryptocurrency market has exploded. By the end of 2023, the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies surpassed $3 trillion. This figure was unimaginable just a decade ago. It reflects the rapid adoption and growing interest in digital assets. People from all walks of life are curious about how to get involved. The growth isn't just in the value. The number of cryptocurrencies has also skyrocketed. As of 2024, there are over 22,000 different cryptocurrencies. Each one offers unique features and potential. This variety provides numerous opportunities for making money, but the sheer number can also be overwhelming. Knowing where to start is crucial. This guide aims to simplify the process of making money with cryptocurrency. Whether you're a novice or have some experience, this guide will help. We will explore the different ways you can earn from cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into the exciting world of digital assets. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency. It uses cryptography for security. This makes it difficult to counterfeit. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they are not controlled by any central authority. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency. It remains the most well-known. However, many other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Ripple, and Dogecoin have emerged. These are often referred to as altcoins, short for alternative coins. Cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security. Each transaction is verified by network participants. Understanding the basics of cryptocurrency is essential. It helps you make informed decisions about investing and trading. With this foundation, you can explore the various methods to make money with crypto. Trading is one of the most common ways to make money with cryptocurrency. It involves buying and selling digital assets to profit from price fluctuations. There are two main types of trading: day trading and long-term trading. Day trading requires active involvement. Traders buy and sell within the same day. This method takes advantage of short-term market movements. It can be profitable but also risky. It requires a good understanding of market trends and technical analysis. Long-term trading, or hodling, is different. Traders buy cryptocurrencies and hold them for an extended period. They believe the value will increase over time. This strategy is less stressful and requires less daily involvement. To start trading, you need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Examples include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. It's important to research and select an exchange that suits your needs. Also, consider using tools like trading bots to automate and optimize your trades. Mining is another popular way to earn cryptocurrency. It involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems. This process verifies and adds transactions to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new cryptocurrency coins. Bitcoin mining is the most well-known. However, it has become highly competitive. It requires specialized hardware and significant electricity. This makes it less accessible for beginners. Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Monero can also be mined. These often require less specialized equipment. They provide an opportunity for individuals to get started with mining. Mining can be done individually or through mining pools. Mining pools are groups of miners who combine their computational resources. This increases the chances of solving problems and earning rewards. Pool members share the rewards based on their contribution. Before starting, it's important to calculate the potential profitability. Consider factors like electricity costs, hardware expenses, and the current price of the cryptocurrency. Many online calculators can help with this. Section 5. Staking cryptocurrency. Staking is a method that allows you to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. It involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet. This supports the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. Proof of stake, or POS, is a common consensus mechanism used in staking. Unlike mining, which requires computational power, staking relies on the number of coins held. The more coins you hold and stake, the higher your chances of earning rewards. Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot are examples of cryptocurrencies that use staking. To start staking, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency that supports it. You'll also need a compatible wallet. Many exchanges offer staking services. This makes it easier for beginners to get started. They handle the technical aspects, and you simply deposit your coins. In return, you receive a percentage of the staking rewards. Staking is a great way to earn passive income. It requires less involvement compared to trading. However, it's important to understand the terms and conditions of staking on different platforms. Section 6. Yield farming and lending. Yield farming is a method to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. It involves lending your digital assets to platforms that offer decentralized finance or DeFi services. In return, you earn interest or rewards. DeFi platforms like Aave, Compound, and Yearn Finance facilitate yield farming. These platforms allow users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies. They use smart contracts to automate transactions and interest payments. Lending is similar to yield farming. It involves lending your cryptocurrency to others. This can be done on platforms like BlockFi, Celsius, and Nexo. These platforms pay interest on the lent assets. Both yield farming and lending provide opportunities to earn passive income. However, they also come with risks. Interest rates can fluctuate, and there may be risks associated with the DeFi platforms. It's important to research and understand these risks before participating. Section 7. Investing in initial coin offerings, or ICOs. Initial coin offerings are a way for startups to raise funds. They do this by issuing new cryptocurrencies or tokens. Investors buy these tokens, hoping their value will increase as the project develops. ICOs have been popular since the launch of Ethereum. Many successful projects like EOS and Tezos started with ICOs. However, they can also be risky. There have been cases of scams and failed projects. To invest in an ICO, you need to research the project thoroughly. Look at the team behind it, their roadmap, and their white paper. This document outlines the project's goals, technology, and plans. It's also important to check if the ICO complies with regulations. Some governments have strict rules regarding ICOs. Participating in a compliant ICO reduces the risk of legal issues. Investing in ICOs can be profitable. However, it requires careful research and due diligence. Be cautious and only invest what you can afford to lose. Section 8. Risks involved with cryptocurrency. While there are many ways to make money with cryptocurrency, there are also significant risks. Understanding these risks is crucial for any investor or trader. One of the main risks is market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period. This can lead to significant gains but also substantial losses. It's important to be prepared for this volatility. Security is another major concern. Digital wallets and exchanges can be hacked. This can result in the loss of funds. Always use secure wallets and enable two-factor authentication. Regulatory risks also play a role. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. New regulations can impact the value and legality of certain cryptocurrencies. Finally, there is the risk of scams and fraud. The crypto space has seen its fair share of Ponzi schemes and fake ICOs. Always conduct thorough research and be cautious of too-good-to-be-true offers. Section 9. Practical tips for beginners. If you're new to cryptocurrency, starting can be daunting. Here are some practical tips to help you begin your journey. First, educate yourself. Read books, articles, and watch videos about cryptocurrency. Understanding the basics will give you confidence. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be volatile. Starting with a small amount reduces your risk. Use reputable platforms. Choose well-known and trusted exchanges for buying and trading. These platforms have better security and customer support. Lastly, diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Diversifying reduces risk and increases the potential for gains. Section 10. Real-life success stories. Many people have made significant money with cryptocurrency. Their stories can inspire and motivate new investors. One famous example is the Winklevoss twins. They invested early in Bitcoin and became billionaires. Their success shows the potential of early investment. Another success story is that of Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum. He envisioned a platform beyond currency, focusing on smart contracts. His innovation has led to massive success and adoption. There are also countless everyday investors who have seen success. From early adopters of Bitcoin to those who invested in emerging altcoins, the potential is vast. These stories highlight the opportunities in the crypto market. With the right approach and knowledge, anyone can succeed. Section 11. Conclusion. Encouraging summary. Making money with cryptocurrency is possible. The market's growth provides numerous opportunities. From trading and mining to staking and lending, there are many ways to earn. However, it's important to be aware of the risks. Educating yourself and starting small can mitigate these risks. Use reputable platforms and diversify your investments. Real-life success stories show that success is achievable. With the right knowledge and approach, you can unlock crypto wealth. The world of digital assets is exciting and full of potential. Start your journey today and explore the possibilities.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.